Have you ever imagined walking through your garden and harvesting grains from plants that come back on their own year after year? No reseeding every spring, no endless soil preparation, and no starting over each growing season. Instead, deep-rooted plants awaken from the same underground crowns, producing reliable harvests while strengthening the soil beneath them. It may sound like something from the future, but these remarkable crops already exist. They're called perennial grains, and unlike traditional annual cereals that must be replanted after every harvest, they survive for multiple years, developing extensive root systems that improve soil health, resist drought, and continue producing food season after season. Some have the potential to provide harvests for many years with minimal disturbance to the land. Let's take a closer look at some of the most impressive perennial grain crops. 1. Illinois bundleflower. Illinois bundleflower is a fascinating perennial that challenges the way most people think about grain production. Rather than resembling neatly planted fields of wheat or corn, this native North American plant looks like a wild prairie species that has spent thousands of years adapting to life on the Great Plains. Its appearance may be modest, but its toughness is remarkable. Over countless generations, it has survived drought, wildfire, grazing animals, and unpredictable weather with little or no human intervention, making it one of the most resilient perennial crops available. Once established, Illinois bundleflower requires surprisingly little maintenance. It typically needs much less irrigation and fertilizer than many conventional crops, and because it returns from the same root system every year, there's no need to sow new seed each season. Its greatest strength lies underground. A deep, powerful root system reaches moisture and nutrients far below the surface, where shallow-rooted annual crops cannot compete. This allows the plant to remain productive even during dry periods, while helping stabilize the surrounding soil. Although its seeds are relatively small, they contain an impressive amount of protein and valuable nutrients. They can be milled into flour or blended with other grains to create nutritious foods with a unique flavor and texture. Perhaps its most valuable contribution comes from its relationship with the soil. As a member of the legume family, Illinois bundleflower forms partnerships with nitrogen-fixing bacteria that naturally convert nitrogen from the atmosphere into nutrients plants can use. Instead of gradually depleting the soil, it actually helps rebuild fertility over time. As seasons pass, soil structure improves, microbial life becomes more active, and organic fertility steadily increases. In an era when modern agriculture often depends heavily on synthetic fertilizers, Illinois bundleflower demonstrates that productive farming can also regenerate the land rather than exhaust it. 2. Maximilian sunflower. Most people think of sunflowers as annual plants that grow, bloom, and die within a single season. Maximilian sunflower follows a completely different strategy. As a perennial species, it returns from the same root system every year, growing stronger, taller, and more impressive with each passing season. Without any replanting, fresh stems emerge every spring before developing into towering plants covered with brilliant golden flowers that brighten gardens and natural landscapes alike. Yet, their beauty is only part of their value. These flowers quickly become magnets for wildlife, attracting bees, butterflies, birds, and countless other beneficial insects. A single planting can transform into a thriving habitat filled with activity throughout the growing season. One of the reasons gardeners and conservationists appreciate Maximilian sunflower is that it supports the entire ecosystem rather than simply producing seeds. As the years go by, the plants naturally spread into larger colonies with very little maintenance. Their extensive root systems help prevent erosion, improve water retention, and gradually build healthier soil. Beneath the surface, the roots create channels that improve soil structure while supporting beneficial microorganisms. The seeds themselves are also highly useful. Produced in generous quantities, they can be eaten fresh, pressed for oil, or ground into flour and mixed with other grains. Their rich, nutty flavor adds both nutrition and character to a wide variety of recipes. Perhaps most importantly, Maximilian sunflower encourages biodiversity. In areas where wildlife populations have declined, these plants provide food, shelter, and nesting opportunities while helping sustain important pollinators. They demonstrate that productive agriculture and healthy ecosystems can thrive together instead of competing with one another. 3. Perennial rye. Rye has earned a reputation as one of the world's toughest cereal crops, thanks to its ability to grow in poor soils, survive freezing temperatures, and tolerate conditions that challenge many other grains. Perennial rye builds on those strengths by extending the plant's lifespan far beyond a single growing season. Many perennial rye species within the Elemis group naturally invest their energy into long-term survival instead of completing their life cycle after one harvest. Rather than dying each year, they establish deep, dense root systems that allow them to return season after season with dependable productivity. Once established, perennial rye requires far less soil disturbance than annual grain crops. Traditional grain farming often involves yearly plowing, planting, fertilizing, and repeated cultivation. Because perennial rye remains rooted in place, much of that disruption is eliminated. This stability allows the soil ecosystem to recover and flourish. Beneficial fungi, bacteria, earthworms, and countless other organisms have time to establish healthy underground communities that support long-term soil fertility. As the years pass, the land gradually improves. Organic matter accumulates, moisture is retained more effectively, nutrient cycling becomes more efficient, and soil structure grows healthier instead of becoming depleted. Although perennial rye may not always produce the extremely high yields associated with intensive industrial agriculture, it offers something many farmers consider just as valuable: steady, reliable harvests year after year. Rather than chasing maximum short-term production, it focuses on long-term sustainability and resilience. The grain itself retains the rich, earthy flavor that has made rye popular for generations. It can be milled into flour for hearty breads, crackers, and other baked goods known for their dense texture and distinctive taste. By combining traditional flavor with a more sustainable growing system, perennial rye demonstrates how agriculture can produce food while protecting and improving the land for future generations. 4. Kernza. Kernza is much more than an experimental grain. It's a glimpse into what the future of sustainable agriculture could look like. Instead of following the traditional pattern of planting, harvesting, and starting over every year, Kernza shows that productive farming can work in harmony with nature. A mature field of Kernza looks very different from a conventional wheat field. Rather than perfectly uniform rows, it resembles a native prairie, with tall grasses swaying naturally in the breeze and creating a landscape that blends into the surrounding ecosystem. Its most remarkable feature lies beneath the soil. Unlike annual wheat, which develops relatively shallow roots before completing its life cycle in a single season, Kernza invests much of its energy into producing an extensive root system that can extend several feet into the ground. These deep, permanent roots reach water and nutrients far below the surface, allowing the plant to thrive under conditions that challenge many annual crops. Because the roots remain alive year after year, they gradually transform the soil itself. Minimal tillage means the ground stays largely undisturbed, allowing organic matter to accumulate naturally, while beneficial fungi, bacteria, and other soil organisms flourish. Soil structure steadily improves, rainfall soaks deeper into the ground instead of running off, erosion declines, and the entire landscape becomes healthier with each passing season. One of Kernza's greatest advantages is its ability to cooperate with natural ecological processes. Its deep roots recycle nutrients that would otherwise remain inaccessible while increasing the soil's capacity to store moisture. As a result, the crop often continues performing well during dry periods when shallow-rooted grains begin to suffer. Another important benefit is longevity. Rather than requiring annual replanting like traditional cereals, a single planting of Kernza can remain productive for several years before needing renewal. This changes the relationship between farmers and their fields, shifting the focus from repeatedly rebuilding a crop to maintaining a thriving, long-term ecosystem capable of producing food season after season. The grain itself offers its own unique qualities. Kernza flour has a pleasantly nutty flavor, with subtle sweetness and earthy notes that become especially noticeable in sourdough breads, where fermentation enhances its complex character. Kernza is not intended to replace conventional wheat completely. Instead, it demonstrates that productive agriculture can succeed while reducing soil disturbance, minimizing yearly planting, and relying less on intensive inputs. More importantly, it points toward a future where grain crops help rebuild healthy soils and stronger ecosystems every year they remain in the ground. 5. Perennial rice. Rice has fed civilizations for thousands of years and remains one of the world's most important staple crops. Traditional rice farming, however, requires an intensive cycle of planting, irrigating, maintaining, harvesting, and preparing fields all over again every single year. Perennial rice offers a completely different approach. Instead of dying after harvest, perennial rice survives through its established underground root system. Following a period of dormancy, new shoots emerge from the same living roots, eliminating the need for annual replanting. This single characteristic changes the entire farming system. Rather than starting from seed each season, farmers manage an already established crop that continues growing year after year. As time passes, the expanding root system penetrates deeper into the soil, strengthening its structure, improving stability, and increasing the ground's ability to store moisture. These deeper roots provide several important advantages. Water is used more efficiently, soil erosion is reduced, nutrients remain available for longer, and the overall growing environment becomes healthier and more resilient. Unlike annual rice, which begins each season facing uncertainty from weather conditions and planting schedules, perennial rice already has a mature root system firmly anchored in the soil. This gives it a significant advantage when environmental conditions become difficult. During periods of drought, deep roots access underground moisture reserves that newly planted seedlings cannot reach. During heavy rains, the well-established root system helps hold the soil together, reducing erosion and protecting the field. Over time, these benefits accumulate, creating healthier and more stable farmland. Many farmers growing perennial rice report advantages that extend beyond the harvest itself. Annual workloads become less demanding because there is no need to establish an entirely new crop every season. Instead of racing through a narrow planting window, growers can devote more time to maintaining healthy plants and improving the long-term condition of their land. In many ways, perennial rice restores agriculture to a more natural rhythm of growth, dormancy, and renewal. Rather than rebuilding the entire production system every year, the crop simply continues its life cycle, becoming stronger and more resilient over time. It serves as a powerful reminder that highly productive farming doesn't always require starting from scratch each season. 6. Perennial sorghum. Perennial sorghum builds upon the remarkable resilience of one of the world's toughest grain crops by allowing it to survive and remain productive for multiple years. Sorghum has long been grown in some of the harshest farming regions on Earth, where intense heat, poor soils, and limited rainfall make agriculture especially challenging. For centuries, it has earned a reputation for producing dependable harvests, even when many other grains struggle. Perennial sorghum takes those natural strengths a step further. Instead of completing its life cycle after a single growing season, the plant survives through a permanent underground root system that remains alive long after harvest. When favorable conditions return, fresh shoots emerge from these established roots without requiring new seed, allowing the crop to continue producing year after year. As the plant matures, its extensive roots reach deeper into the soil, accessing valuable water reserves that annual crops simply cannot reach. This becomes especially important in dry and semi-arid climates, where rainfall is unpredictable. Even when newly planted fields fail to establish during drought, perennial sorghum often continues growing because its mature roots already have access to stored underground moisture. This remarkable dependability has attracted increasing attention from researchers and farmers searching for crops capable of adapting to a changing climate. Instead of beginning each season with uncertainty about rainfall, seed germination, and seedling survival, growers start with vigorous, well-established plants already rooted in the field. The permanent root system also delivers major benefits below ground. Because the soil experiences far less disturbance from repeated tillage, beneficial fungi, bacteria, earthworms, and countless other organisms have time to build healthy underground ecosystems. Organic matter steadily increases, nutrient cycling improves, soil structure becomes stronger, and the ground gradually develops a sponge-like ability to retain both water and nutrients. Above the surface, perennial sorghum still resembles the familiar grain crop known around the world, producing tall stalks topped with heavy seed heads beneath the summer sun. The difference is that after harvest, the plants remain firmly rooted, creating a far more stable agricultural landscape. The grain itself remains extremely versatile. It can be milled into flour for breads, pastries, and other baked goods, cooked whole as a nutritious cereal, or even popped into crunchy snacks similar to popcorn. Naturally gluten-free, sorghum also provides fiber, antioxidants, and a wide range of beneficial nutrients. Perhaps its greatest advantage isn't simply its nutritional value, but its reliability. Rather than focusing only on maximizing short-term yields, perennial sorghum offers long-term stability, resilience, and dependable harvests despite drought, rising temperatures, and difficult growing conditions. It demonstrates that agriculture can become more sustainable by working alongside natural ecosystems instead of constantly disturbing the land and starting over every year. 7. Cowpea. At first glance, cowpea may seem like an ordinary crop known mainly for its reliable harvests and widespread use around the world. Yet beneath its modest appearance is a remarkably resilient plant that contributes far more than nutritious seeds. In many farming systems, cowpea plays an important role in improving soil health and strengthening the entire agricultural ecosystem. Although cowpea is traditionally grown as an annual crop, it often behaves differently in warm climates where the soil is left relatively undisturbed. Seeds remaining in the ground readily germinate on their own, and plants frequently regrow after partial harvesting. While it is not technically a true perennial, this natural ability to regenerate allows it to return again and again, giving it many of the advantages of perennial crops. Its resilience is the result of thousands of years of adaptation to hot, dry regions with poor soils and unreliable rainfall. Instead of relying on ideal growing conditions, cowpea has evolved to survive difficult environments by sending its roots deep into the soil in search of moisture. During periods of drought, it slows its growth rather than dying, allowing it to continue producing nutritious harvests when many other crops struggle. The seeds are rich in protein and serve as an important food source for millions of people across the globe. They can be cooked whole in soups and traditional dishes, or milled into flour to improve both the nutritional value and texture of baked foods. However, one of cowpea's greatest contributions happens underground. As a member of the legume family, it forms a natural partnership with nitrogen-fixing bacteria that live inside specialized nodules on its roots. These microorganisms capture nitrogen from the atmosphere and convert it into forms plants can use, naturally enriching the soil while reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. As leaves fall and roots gradually decompose, organic matter is returned to the soil, encouraging beneficial microbes, recycling nutrients, and steadily improving long-term fertility. Cowpea also functions as an outstanding living mulch. Its spreading vines cover exposed soil, protecting it from intense sunlight, drying winds, and heavy rainfall. This natural ground cover reduces evaporation, limits erosion, suppresses weeds, and helps the soil remain cooler and moist for longer periods. These qualities make cowpea especially valuable in regenerative agriculture and mixed cropping systems. It grows successfully beneath fruit trees, between taller crops, and alongside grains, making productive use of empty spaces while benefiting neighboring plants. Rather than supporting only its own growth, cowpea strengthens the entire farming system. Through self-seeding, natural regeneration, nitrogen fixation, and soil improvement, it helps nearby crops thrive while reducing water needs and dependence on external inputs. Though it rarely receives the attention given to major grain crops, cowpea quietly demonstrates how healthy ecosystems can produce healthier harvests. 8. Eastern gamagrass. Eastern gamagrass offers an inspiring example of how agriculture and environmental restoration can work hand in hand. At first glance, the plant resembles corn, which is not surprising since both belong to the same botanical family and share several physical characteristics. Despite this resemblance, Eastern gamagrass follows a very different strategy for survival. Unlike annual corn, which must be planted from seed every year, Eastern gamagrass is a true perennial. Its large underground root system survives through the winter and sends up vigorous new growth each season without requiring replanting. Year after year, the established roots allow the plant to grow larger, stronger, and more productive as dense clumps gradually expand across the landscape. Its greatest value lies beneath the surface. A massive network of deep roots anchors the soil, helping prevent erosion while improving water infiltration and encouraging rainfall to soak deeply into the ground instead of running off. Over time, these roots add organic matter, support beneficial soil organisms, and steadily improve soil fertility. Because of these qualities, Eastern gamagrass has become an important species in ecological restoration projects. It not only survives in degraded environments, but actively helps rebuild healthier soils and restore damaged landscapes. In addition to its environmental benefits, the plant also produces edible seeds that are significantly larger than those of many native perennial grasses. These nutritious seeds can be cooked whole or ground into flour, connecting modern, sustainable agriculture with traditional practices that relied on native grains for food. Perhaps the greatest importance of Eastern gamagrass extends beyond its harvest. Rather than replacing crops like corn, it expands our understanding of what future agriculture could become. It demonstrates that a single crop can simultaneously provide food, improve soil health, conserve water, encourage biodiversity, and strengthen the surrounding ecosystem. Eastern gamagrass reminds us that productive farming does not have to come at the expense of the environment. Instead, it shows that healthy soils, thriving ecosystems, and dependable food production can all develop together, creating a more resilient agricultural system that benefits both today's growers and future generations.